Hello everyone. Look at this inspirational picture from Pinterest. This backdrop very beautiful, but not difficult to make it. Very simple. So today I took this video to show you how to make it with our fabric, flower, leaf, and floral foam. Very simple. Okay, let's get it started. Okay, first of all, we just want to put the fabric on the stand. Very simple, just put the fabric on the stand, just hang it on the two ends of the stand will be okay. And then we need to adjust this part. Very simple, just adjust two ends of the fabric. Then the sweat will make the sweat like this. For example, this end a little bit twinkle, so we need to make it. So look at this. Can you see it? When you dress the fabric, okay, like this, and then this end, when you dress the fabric, so just adjust two ends of the fabric will be okay. Now look at this, I show you the detail. Just adjust the end of the fabric like this will be okay. And then tie, because I want the fabric tie like this to cover the pole, the surface of the pole. Okay. Look at this fabric. This is not the quality problem. All the material have one end like this. The thread come out, just cut it off will be okay. But since I just make the sample, so I don't want to make it perfect, so I don't want to waste time on it. Okay, so complete it. If you want to make it 100% firm, you can add a clip on it. Okay, now complete it with setting the fabric. Since I like to use the fabric to cover the tube, the poles of the stand, so I make the sweat like this. You can make it larger. Adjust the two ends of the fabric will be okay. And about the two sides of the fabric, if you think it's too much slim, you want to make it fuller, you can add another fabric, put another fabric here, so it will make it much more full. Okay, then next step. Okay, the next step, we will use the branch. On this tutorial, I will use 3 branch. and then use the ribbon or use a string to tie them up. Okay, after tie up the branch, I need to clip it on the stem. There's two ways to clip it, depends on your stand condition. We are using this floral foam. There's a clip here. So if the tube of the stand is small, the pole of the stand is slim, we can direct clip the branch together to the stand. Look at this, because this clip is hard, the opening is not large. I think only 2.5, the thickness of the 2.5 cm maximum. So if the size larger than 2.5, the clip we cannot clip it. Okay, I will show you. Okay, this is the pole of the stand. We need to keep the fabric branch together with our floral foam. Since the clip is small, so let's try. If we can clip them together, that will be perfect. But if we cannot, we will use another way. Okay, it's not easy because it's very hard. It's very hard. So anyway, let's try it. The design is not good, so it's not convenient to open the clip. But anyway, I tried a lot of time and found it's hard to clip them together. So I will use the other ways to solve the problem. If you can clip them by once, that will be perfect. If you can't, let's try the next method. Okay. Okay, let's try the other method. Very simple. Just clip it direct on the branch will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, look at this. I direct clip it onto the branch. I do this because this clip is very tight. It's hard to open it. Okay, then let's just put it on the stand. Find the place you want to put on the floral, this place, and then use a clip and put it in. Use a clip. Clamp on one of the branch, and use 2 or more clips to clamp it, to make it firm on the tube. Okay, like this. Okay, look, completed. I clip 2 branch and the flower form on the stand like this. Let's check the detail. Just use some clip to fix it on the stand on the tube will be okay. Okay then, let's move to next step to put on the flowers. Okay, so the following, we need to insert the flower and leaf to the floral form. Look at what we have. Hydrangea, rose, phoenix, a lot of color. We have other type of the rose in different colors: pink, purple, red, white, blue, green, a lot of color. If you are interested, you can check my product list. Find the link on the information field below this video will be okay. And look, the leaf. How this leaf come? How does this leaf come? It comes from a branch of the leaf. Just cut it off will be okay. And if you want to know the quality of our leaf, I show you the detail about the quality. You can check my old video. In fact, if you like my design, like my idea, you can watch all my tutorial. Because a lot of quality analysis and some old idea already taught as the tutorial and post on my channel. And the following new tutorial when I using the old idea, part of the old idea, I won't repeat it in detail again. So if you like my channel and want to follow up my new tutorial, you can spend a little time to watch all my tutorial. I think it will be very helpful. Okay, this is the stem. We have different lengths of the stem because when you design, sometimes you need some shorten and sometimes you need to make longer stem to make your design in different layer. It's very simple. Just put the stem on the flower head. Will be okay. And then just put it on the flower form will be okay. Very simple. I will show you the effect after I put on the flower and leaf. Okay, completed. Very simple. Just put on the flower and the leaf or the leaf white will be okay. Now let's check the detail. Look at this. We have a lot of leaf. This leaf, different colors. And finish our rose. Finish and hygienic and leaf white. And the fabric, we supply the fabric also. But we don't sell this branch because this is real band, not artificial. You can buy it from local store. Okay, the flowers, the leaf, like this. Um, the idea is perfect. I get the idea from Pinterest, but it's not easy to make. Just buy our flower, the leaf, and the floral foam will be okay. The effect very pretty. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.